Welcome to For the Love of Cars. My name is Arthur, and here every week we'll help you make smarter car buying and smarter car maintenance decisions. Today we are talking about something that doesn't involve horsepower, fuel economy, or fancy features. We are talking about how you treat your car, because I have seen many people keep the same car for 15 years with almost no major problems. I've also seen someone destroy a good car in less than 2 years. The difference is always not the car. Sometimes it's the owner. Let's mark this. When a car is spoiled, you find two people with the Toyota Spacio. One Spacio is spoiled, the other is not. It's not that the Spacio that's sold that is spoiled was a bad Spacio you are buying. The owner of this spoiled Spacio is the wrong owner. Now, we're going to go through this. And the first thing for you to know is that the right owner lands the car.
For the love of cars, Uganda, we roll.
You start learning what engine is in your car. Is it timing chain driven? Is it timing belt driven? What oil does it drink? Not drinking. What oil is supposed to go in the engine? What are the common problems? Because every car has its own personality. The wrong owner drives it down the trench. The right owner understands the car. The right owner doesn't wait for disaster. And of course, we know some people, they only visit the garage when the cars refuse to move, or rather, they call the mechanic to come and somehow troubleshoot the car to get it to move to the garage. And by then, the repairs are already expensive. Good owners don't wait for breakdowns. They service the car on time. They replace worn out parts before they fail. They solve small problems while they are still small. Yeah, that's usually cheaper than waiting for an emergency. Your timing belt. Watch out in that timing belt. Check on the timing belt every time you service the car. And if your car has a leakage and the oil goes to the timing belt, why are you waiting for the time? Go work on the leakage. If the belt that goes to the alternator, goes to the AC pump is chapped, why are you waiting for it to break? Replace it. Now, number 3, the right owner listens. Cars speak. They don't say words like me, but they speak with signs. They speak with strange vibrations. They speak with knocking sounds. You see, when the steering starts feeling different, when the brakes don't feel the same, when the AC is not as cold as it used to be, many people ignore these things. They say, service. And that's in like 6 months. The right owner pays attention to all these signs and they work on them before it's worse. The right owner respects the car's limits. Guys. Osanga omusajja nga avuga bitizi nga Prado. Omusajja n'omusanga ayina markets agitika nga pickup. Omusajja n'akwata Prius. N'agitwala ye deep down ye kabale abisha byalu bye kabale sibimanyi na bimanya. Every car has strengths, every car has limits. The wrong owner forces the car to do everything. The right owner works with the car, not against it. Nabagamba wano, hybrid ekisinga okuzita kuvuga ng'endabirwamu ziri wansi. Bw'oba toyagala vuga esitogula hybrid, ogenda kutta cooling system, fani ekuloginge, amanda gagendemu enfuufu, batandika okugamba teziri reliable. Every 6 months, or at least once a year, service the hybrid system, but you don't want. The right owner does not cheat on maintenance. Let's be honest. Some people buy the cheapest oil they can find. Oil lita yameka mukaga kanana. Temuina wagumu chitundu. Really? You want to buy I told you about the newer guy who utwaje nuwa mu bondi nga tunyotoka ko brakes naga tutekeke ezesa. Goroza bakoleze 12 basiru. They want the cheapest brake pads. Brake fluid. I got a .1. There's even .4. My guy wants .1. You want the cheapest tires from the cheapest place. There is a friend of mine, Agurajiri expired. agamba mbu ye agenda mu dduuka ly'emipiira n'abagamba munoonyeze gye mutakyasobola kutunda, and he buys them at half price. But that one is a dangerous thing. Now you buy the cheapest parts and then you wonder why the car keeps giving you problems. Maintenance is not a place where you should gamble. To gambling. It's not a place where you should save. Cheap today can become very expensive tomorrow. And of course, the right owner keeps records. Of course, the records sometimes can be in your head. The one thing I admire is opening a glove box and finding service. Twabagamba! Twabaletera my kadari! Tojigura! How are you going to know where your car is going? You want to keep track of when the oil was changed, when the gearbox was serviced, when the coolant was replaced, when the tires were rotated, if you rotate them anyhow. You know, you need to know that the car needs to be loved. Yeah? So if I'm going to buy a car in my car diary, I know that the car has been loved even before I drive it. Here is something many people don't think about, and it's very important. The way you drive is also part of maintenance. Do you slow down for deep potholes? Do you warm up the engine before driving aggressively? Do you overload the car? Do you ignore warning lights? Your driving habits determine how long many components will last. Sometimes the best mechanic is the driver. And so, does your car have the right owner? Let's do a quick test. When was the last time you serviced the car? Do you know the engine oil that is supposed to go in your car? Can you recognize a new sound in your car? Do you fix problems early? Or do you do it ngemoroke ganyu tambo? If you're smiling, your car is probably happy. If you're uncomfortable with my questions, maybe today is the day you change. Lokoka! These irresponsible car owners but people often say the car is unreliable, and sometimes they are right, but sometimes the car simply had the wrong owner. A well-maintained car will almost always outlive a neglected one. So don't just ask whether your car is good. Ask whether you are the owner that this car deserves. Now, I want to hear from you guys. What do you think is the biggest mistake that car owners make? Share in the comment section. And if this video has reminded you to take better care of your car, give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. You can also hit the notification bell so that you get told when we post new videos. 5th September is the Love for Cars convention, and we're going to be learning this and more. We're also going to be launching the second edition of the Love of Cars magazine. Until next time, ciao.